Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get iPhone or iPad like charging standby screen in Samsung Galaxy tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Samsung tablet and on the left side I have a iPhone device. So on the latest iOS 17 update, a new feature is being included called the standby. So let me show you. Just go to the settings and you can see here standby option. So once you update to the iOS 17 operating version on your respective iPhone or iPad OS, then you'll get this option. So what it really does is, let me show you. Firstly, once I connect a charger and place it in the horizontal way, it's like this. So you can finally see once I connect the charger and place it on the horizontal mode, you can see standby. So if I click on continue, so you can see here, I can see a clock face. So it's very handy, just you can use it. So you can swipe it, different things you can get here. So you can see here. So on our Samsung tablets, how we can get this feature. So now on your Galaxy tablet, just open the Galaxy Store and just search for one application named as Daily Board. Just search the application named as Daily Board, and on the first list you will see the application. Just tap on it. As I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. As you can see, it's been installed already on my Samsung Galaxy tablet. So if you have not installed, then just download and install this application firstly. And after that, just open the settings and just scroll down below and you will see here one option written advanced feature. Just tap on it, and on the right side you can see here one option written Daily Board. Just tap on it and just enable the first option. So you can see some of the highlights like time, weather and calendar. Whatever you want to show, you can enable or disable. You can enable some more options below. Here you can see here, depending upon your needs, what you want, you can set it to light or dark mode also, and turn off as schedule. You can set a time, turn off automatically this Daily Board. So now after enabling this, what you need to do is just connect the charger to your Samsung Galaxy tablet. So let me connect the charger. So now you can see here, you can just tap on those icons on the above and to show the calendar, and just swipe down, swipe right, like that. You can write something also. You can download more options. Finally, you can see we have finally got the same iPhone or iPad like charging standby screen in our Samsung Galaxy tab. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.